So here we are at a very large installation in San Luis Obispo. Jan is cleaning the upper frame, which again is very important. We can't stress that enough, that this might be your best bet for moving quickly along your cleaning, is to get that upper frame cleaned so you don't have to worry about throwing the brush over the top, which is not good for the brush. So you clean the upper frame first, and then you will just zip up and down the panels, just like Jan is doing, without worrying about sending your brush over the top of the upper frame. So he is really zipping along. The other thing for new people getting into solar panel cleaning you need to be aware of, when you take a job, you're going to want to ask the contractor or solar owner about the vegetation. Here we have terrible vegetation. Our contractor really should have cut this down for us. All those plants, all those weeds act like little hooks, and they'll grab your hose, which will slow you down, waste time, could cause you to drop the brush or to damage your hose. So be aware of ground mounts. Ask about the vegetation before you put your bid in. And go ahead and put in a bid for doing the vegetation, and you can always sub it out too. So there you go. We have to bring our water to this install. So we bring a water buffalo, then we load our water stations into the water totes, and the water is pumped through our pressure washer onto the Sola-Tecs brush. Just like that.